have you seen my phone?
No, and you're not allowed to have it.
Why not?
Because you're not allowed to have anything that has a reflection on it. You must guess your symbol without looking at yourself.
Okay, well, give me a hint.
No giving hints either. You and the other person would both die.
Well, then how am I supposed to guess it?
Just start guessing things.
Star. Heart. Circle.
Yeah, good luck guessing that one.
Is mine hard?
Not hard, but I've seen easier.
What's the point of this anyways?
You guess your symbol, you're safe. You cheat or don't guess in time, you die.
In time? How much time do we have?
Until sundown.
Rectangle. Dollar sign. Squiggly line.
Squiggly line. Really?
I'm desperate. There's only 1 hour left until sundown. Wait, did you guess yours already?
Yeah.
How? I have never seen that symbol before in my life.
There's like 300 people in this school, right?
Right?
So the odds of you having someone's symbol, high. I just guessed what I saw on people's foreheads.
Genius. Umbrella. Rectangle. Square. Triangle.
Jess, hurry up. It's sundown. Jess, hurry. 10 seconds until midnight.
Diamond? I got it!
Barely.
Is it just me, or did it get weirdly quiet in here?
A lot of people didn't guess their symbol in time. They disappeared.
Mom, I'm home. Mom? Mom? Who is it? Mom!
Thank you, sweetie. I could not find my keys.
I thought you didn't guess your symbol. I thought I...
Don't be dramatic. I had to go get more milk. Ours was 3 months old.
Gross. Well, the round's over. Can I have my phone back now?
No way.
Why not?
Because there's still 2 more rounds left. Tomorrow we do it again.
All right. Hopefully I can guess this quick today. Triangle. Diamond.
With those guesses, you're going to be guessing all day.
What do you mean?
It's colors today, not symbols.
Oh. Red. Orange. Yellow.
Trying out my trick?
Yeah, but it's not working.
Tell me about it.
Hey, are you okay?
My brother didn't guess it in time yesterday. He disappeared.
Oh my god, Danny. I'm so sorry.
This whole thing's messed up. I don't get the point of it at all. Class, today we're going to be making biscuits from scratch. You have the entire class to do so. You can't use that.
Why not?
It has a reflection on it. It's not even supposed to be out. You didn't see your color on it, did you?
No.
Promise?
Promise. Can I go to the bathroom? I'm totally screwed. I can't believe I just saw myself. Coral. Why didn't I disappear?
You guessed it.
Yeah, completely, 100%, totally without cheating, obviously. Otherwise, I would have disappeared, so...
Are you okay?
Yeah, this whole thing's just screwing with my head a little bit. Did you know Danny's little brother went missing?
We just have to get through tomorrow. Then this will be all over with.
If we can make it through tomorrow. Where is it? Here it is. Just look in the mirror, Jess. You can do it. This whole thing is made up.
What makes you say that?
I just looked in the mirror and nothing happened.
Don't joke about that.
I'm serious. Here, look in the mirror.
Get that away from me. Put that away, Jess. That's not funny.
I'm telling you, it's fine. Just look in the mirror. Mom? I just killed my mom. Let's see what I got today. Revenge? I have a feeling not many people are going to guess their words.
Jess, I'm freaking out. Do you know how many words there are in the universe?
A lot.
A freaking lot. And it can be any language. There's a chance I won't make it to tomorrow.
After seeing everyone's words, I don't think anyone's going to make it till tomorrow.
I haven't heard you guessing at all. Are you giving up?
I may have already guessed mine.
What? How?
Luck.
Class, please try to stay calm. There's 15 seconds until midnight. Just say as many words as you can. 3.
Left.
Congratulations, you are a finalist. Please make your way to the stadium for the 4th and final round.
Final round? I thought there were only 3 rounds.
Jess?
Danny? You guessed yours too?
Yeah. I wonder how many others did.
I don't know.
Congratulations, finalists. As you can see, there were only 5 of you who were able to complete all 3 rounds. Now you 5 will compete for the chance to win $100,000.
Why would we want the money when all our loved ones are dead?
They're not dead. We were holding them in a separate realm until our finalists were revealed. Fill the stadium. See, your loved ones are here.
Mom!
Jess, win this for us. This round will be different than any other. You will all receive a number 1 through 10, and you can tell each other what their numbers are. But you can also lie to each other. You will have 1 hour to talk. Then it will be time to make your guess. You only get 1. What if we don't guess it? Then you die.
Wait a second. We die or we just go to the other realm like our families did?
No, you die. There has to be consequences for being a finalist.
Okay, well, I don't want to play. Can I just sit in the stadium with my mom?
No, you're a finalist. You have to play, unless you want to forfeit and die.
I shouldn't be a finalist, though.
Just what do you mean?
I cheated!
You did?
Yes, I looked in the mirror. That's the only way I won the rounds.
Everyone here cheated.
Really?
Yes, it's the only way to win the game. But to prevent you all from telling each other you can cheat, we made the rule if you try to tell someone, that person will disappear.
That's why when I showed my mom...
She disappeared, which made you think you're the only one that could cheat. But everyone here cheated. Now everyone, do you want to play or die now? Ben? Play. Tina? Play. Jonathan? Play. Danny? Play. And Jess? What did you decide?
Play.
You have 1 hour to talk to each other. At the end of the hour, you will all make your guess for what your number is. We won't allow any cheating this round. So don't even try looking at your reflection. Let the games begin. So who wants me to tell them what their number is? Jess? Yours is an 8.
I didn't ask you, Tina, and frankly, I don't believe you.
Good, you shouldn't. She's lying to you. Jess, what's my number?
A 7.
Ugh, everyone told me a different number. You can't trust anyone here. I don't even know who to believe.
Danny, believe me. We both can win this if we're 100% honest with each other. Neither of us have to die.
Yeah, you're right. Your number is a 3.
3?
Yes. Now promise me mine's a 7. Promise.
I promise.
Jess, you've been awfully quiet. Everything okay?
I don't need you getting in my head, Tina. I already know what I'm gonna guess.
Well, hopefully it's right, because your life depends on it.
And so does yours. So how about instead of lying to people, you gain someone's trust and tell them the truth?
I didn't lie to anyone here. I told Benny at a 4, Danny a 7, and you an 8.
You told Danny he had a 7?
Yeah.
But Danny said everyone told him a different number.
Well, maybe everyone did.
No, I told Danny he had a 7 too.
That's the problem. You can't trust anyone in here. Everyone, it is time to guess your numbers. Ben, you're up first.
6.
That is incorrect. Tina, you're next. 3. Jonathan, your turn.
I guess 5.
That is incorrect. That leaves us with 2 contestants left. Danny, your turn.
I guess 7.
That is correct. Congratulations. Jess, guess 3. And Jess, if you can guess this, you will split the $100,000 with Danny.
8.
That is correct. Congratulations.
I can't believe I did it.
Me either.
You lied to me.
I didn't think they were going to allow 2 winners, okay? I was afraid if we both won, we both would die.
Don't ever talk to me again.
Jess!
Mom! Thank God this is all over with.
Until next year. They said this would be a yearly